This Bluetti again, after charging. This time, I want to use charging my phone, my Victomp's power bank, and turn on my mini fridge. 10:50 p.m. Bluetti at full power. For Victomp's 22.5 watt and 10,000 mAh, I use this adapter charger, 240 watt. With this USB-C 2C cable. Condition this Victomp's is 13% left power. For this, another USB-C 2C, I put on my phone with 2% left its power.
And for mini fridge, I use this car's cigarette port, can plug on this Bluetti.
(1:01 a.m.) My Victomp's 34% and my phone fully charged, and Bluetti 31% left. And at 2:30 a.m. Bluetti 0% and Victomp's 58%. While turn on my mini fridge. This what Bluetti accomplish.
So much better than my previous power station.
This is the power station supposed to be.